In China, the three best-known cities are Hong Kong, Shanghai, and Beijing, the capital. In Shanghai, two famous older parts of the city are the Bund, where colonial-style buildings line the west bank of the Huangpu River, and Nanjing Road, the main shopping street. In the last 30 years, the Pudong area east of the river has seen a massive development of high-rise buildings, including the striking TV tower. The best way to see the sights of Shanghai is to take an evening river cruise. Even in misty rain, it is like travelling through fairyland. The first stop on a daytime tour is the Shanghai City Temple. Even though China is communist and so officially atheistic, some people, even young people, still come to pray. According to the guide, the rising smoke of the incense is supposed to reach the god and bring about the answer to their prayers. On either side of the entrance to the inner shrine, there are lions. The male lion has his paw on a round ball supposed to be the world, indicating powerful protection. The female lion has her paw on a cub, indicating protection of the family. Such lions are widely used in China at temples, palaces, and restaurants. The next stop on the tour is the Yuyuan Garden. The Yuyuan Garden means Garden of Happiness. It was made in the 16th century by one of the Ming emperors as a place of relaxation for his parents in their old age. One of the trees is said to be 400 years old. June is the rainy season in China, and people have developed ingenious ways of keeping dry. After the garden, the tour goes through a shopping area geared especially for tourists. In Pudong, the Jinmao Tower of 88 stories, completed in 1999, used to be the tallest tower in China, but it was overtaken in height by the Shanghai World Financial Center of 101 stories, completed in 2008. But even that is due to be overtaken by the Shanghai Tower of 121 stories, due to be completed in 2014. Salisbury Cathedral, shown on the right and thought to have a very high spire, does not bear comparison in height with these three towers of Shanghai. Unfortunately, in rainy weather, these amazing buildings do not look their best, either from ground level or from the Jinmao Tower observation platform. Just think of it, 121 stories. Again, the wonderful Nampu Bridge over the Huangpu River, which looks so attractive at night, does not look as good on a rainy afternoon. However, even if it is wet outside, it is dry in the Pearl Exhibition Center.
Before I look at the pearl, I'm going to give you some brief introduction about the pearl.
Okay.
Firstly, let's look at the two different oysters here. Such as the big oyster, this one, this is from the river. That is the freshwater oyster. Like this one, about 1, 2, 3. 3 circle means 3 years old. Yeah. When I open, we can see here so many pearls grow together. We can see the white color because including more calcium. The pink one, the golden one, because including more copper mineral. The black pearl because more iron trace element. Now, I will show you another one to compare. This is from the ocean, from the sea. Okay, sir. By the way, do you know how many pearls in this one before I open? How many pearls?
2.
2? Okay, let's take again. Take a look. In this area, there is only one. Yeah. Sometimes only one, sometimes none. Maybe one, maybe none. Yeah. This one we can see, although the size is smaller, but you can see the shape. This is very round, very regular, more perfectly than the freshwater pearl. That is the reason you compare the freshwater pearl and the seawater pearl. Sea pearl will more shiny, more lustrous, more bright. That is the reason sea pearl was more priced than the freshwater. Yeah. Necklaces, 3 are real, 1 is the fake. Can you take a guess which one is the fake? Sir, you can take a guess. Which one fake? Very smooth. And the real pearl, you feel rough and sandy feeling. Rough and sandy. You can see a little bit of powder comes out on the pearl surface. Yeah.
On the real ones?
Yes. These two, they are the freshwater pearl. You can see the shape, not so completely round. This is only for demonstration, normal quality. Yeah. This is from the sea.
I see. Thank you.
You can look around. Maybe something catch your eyes. For your family, yes.
Even in misty rain, Shanghai is a marvelous city to visit.